Yo. Okay, so since we are already ready, let's just give us the ugly slimes you got.
Yeah. All right, so for this ugly slime, first round is this. And as you notice, it's not as bad as it should be. It's not that bad. That's because there's one rule.
What?
You may not use any at all. Not even a little bit of the magical clay. You can't use any magical clay. That's right.
I mean,
it's too easy to fix it with magical clay. You get no magical clay.
That's true. You never not use magical clay. But magical clay is pretty cool, but
it's my favorite.
I mean, how could you do this to me? Why? I used to give makeovers to slimes before magical clay, but magical clay is just so freaking good.
It's magical, and I need to use it. I don't know how to fix a slime without magical clay.
Fixes the colors so well. It gives it such a good texture. Paul, this is a good one. Okay, well, I guess we are all ready, so let's go get the ingredients. I'll go first. Ha!
Oh, and no magical clay? Really? She calls first and no magical clay. I don't know how I'm gonna do this.
Okay, guys, so this is gonna be super duper hard without magical clay because magical clay really helps the color of the slime, but at least the slime isn't that bad. It's kind of like a light brown color. So I'm thinking, guys, a fluffy slime. I should say this quietly because my mom is probably definitely she's gonna try and copy me because she's not even gonna have magical clay now. So anyways, I'm gonna make it a fluffy slime, guys, but I'm gonna make it 3 colors: pink, blue, and yellow. And then I'm gonna put sprinkles. It's gonna look like a fairy slime. And I am going to win this. Okay, guys, I got the blue, yellow, and pink food coloring. Now, shaving cream. So it turns out I don't have a lot of shaving cream anymore. I think I need a refill and I keep forgetting. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna have to take 3 of these shaving cream bottles because there's it's almost empty. So hopefully this works, guys. Then I'm gonna need some sprinkles. Okay, guys, here's the sprinkles drawer. This is kind of cool because it's handy. Also kind of candy. Probably use this one because I like the color. I feel like it will suit my slime, so I think I'm gonna use this one. Okay, guys, and another thing, hair gel in case my slime gets a little hard from the shaving cream. So yeah, and then I'm just gonna get some glitter. Ooh, I think I'll take this holographic one. Holographic always goes with everything. Okay, guys, I think I got everything I need, and I really want some magical clay. Maybe I should cheat. No, I shouldn't cheat. I can do it. All right, let's do this.
All right, guys, I have a little problem here. I can't use magical clay, and magical clay fixes everything, so I'm not sure what to do. And I tried to sneak and see what Ameerah was doing, but I couldn't hear anything she was saying. So I'm gonna have to figure this out. The next thing after magical clay that I always use that usually fixes everything is glitter, because glitter is sparkly. So I'm gonna use a lot of glitter, and I'm gonna use food coloring. I think I'm gonna use this pink one because pink one's my favorite color, and purple because I love purple too. So I'm gonna use this ones and a bunch of glitters. Oh, these 2 are good. These ones are perfect, and maybe I'm gonna use some soap. I mean, it must help with something, right? I mean, it can wash out the ugly color and then put the pretty purple and pink. And since I can't use magical clay, I guess this is all I'm gonna use.
Okay, guys, we are back, and let's start this challenge. All right, so whoopsies. I'm gonna start by putting some shaving cream into my slime.
Shaving cream.
Alrighty.
All right, well, I'm gonna start by making 2 parts slime, and I'm gonna make 1 purple and 1 pink.
Okay, now I'm gonna mix this up, guys, and hopefully it turns into a nice fluffy slime that I can dye. That will be better.
Slime?
Yeah.
Why didn't I think of that?
Because you couldn't hear me?
I was trying to hear you.
Yeah, sure.
I would never try to copy you, Ameerah. All right, so I put my pink food coloring, and I'm gonna put some soap to wash it out a little bit, so the pink is brighter.
Okay, guys, just as I expected, this slime is getting a little rippy, so I'm going to add some miraculous hair gel. And I haven't used hair gel in a while, I think. I don't know.
Yours got rippy.
Yeah, but I have hair gel. Hair gel to save the day. Mix that in.
What just happened to mine?
Whoa, Mom, I think the foam soap did a little bit more than just wash out your slime.
Yeah, it made it all soft and nice. Unlike yours that it's all rippy.
Yeah, whatever. I still have a bunch of hair gel out. I'm definitely gonna get better. But you don't have anything to make your slime activate.
Whatever, Ameerah. You're just jealous because mine's turning out better and nicer and the color is cuter and I'm just smarter than you. I'm just gonna put the food coloring on my purple one, and yeah, I don't think it needs to be washed out. So yeah, I'm not using this on this one. Okay. purple and all pretty.
Okay, guys, I think it got a little bit better. It's actually stretching now.
Your slime on mine.
Yeah, okay. I gotta take these beads out too. I'm gonna add a little bit more hair gel to make it softer, and then maybe some shaving cream again because it kind of did get a little unfluffy. So I might add some more of that, and then I'm gonna color it.
All right, so I think I'm almost done. I'm gonna put some glitter now. I'm gonna put the purple one and the purple one. I'm gonna put a lot of glitter. And some of this purple one right here. Then I'm gonna mix it. This looks so pretty. Look at that. Hey, stop throwing your ugly slime
I'm not throwing
stuff
them.
on my beautiful slime, Ameerah.
Ugly slime.
There you go. There's that one. And now I'm gonna put a lot of pink glitter on this one.
Okay, guys, I was finally able to make my slime very nice and stretchy with enough hair gel. And now I'm gonna add just a little bit more shaving cream because as you can see, it's kind of like a little deflated. So I just need a little bit more. Hopefully I don't make it rippy again. Ugh. Ugh. Guys, I really need to get some more shaving cream. Okay, there we go. So that should be good. Now let's mix.
All right, so I'm gonna put a lot of glitter and hope that Paul doesn't notice that this one is all like sticky. So I'm gonna put that one and this one and this one.
Well, I am going to separate my slimes and I'm gonna dye them different colors now. I'm gonna do this one pink first. Add some. Let's see how that goes.
All right, so I'm gonna try to make a swirl and be all done. Oh, this is, okay, I don't think, okay, I got this. I'm gonna make a heart. I'm gonna mix them together and that's gonna fix it and it won't be all sticky. And I'm gonna make a really nice heart and then fill it up with a bunch of glitter. Yeah, because I don't think I can make a swirl out of this. All right.
Okay, guys, my pink turned out really good. Now I'm just gonna make the other colors. So I'm gonna put yellow in this. Come on. There we go. Alrighty. And then I'm gonna put some blue in this one, and then I'm gonna mix it up. Guys, my slimes look amazing. They turned out perfect. Now I'm just gonna make a beautiful swirl, and then top it off with some sprinkles and some glitter and win this challenge.
Oh yeah, well, I'm already done, and mine is beautiful.
Yours does look pretty good, Mom, but I think I have a really good chance of winning because this looks amazing. Okay, now I just do a little swirl really quick. There we go. No touching. Alrighty. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Alrighty. Top it off with a little bit of sprinkles and some glitter. And I'm done. Paul, I am ready to get judged. I'm done.
All right, you're done and you're done.
I'm done first.
All right, let's, who wants to go?
Me!
You want to go first?
But I was done first.
Wow. Yeah, but I said who wants to go and then she went first. All right.
I
was done first.
Let's take a look at yours. Wow, that's amazing. Wait, let's take a picture of what I gave you. Let's put it right here. That's a huge difference. How did you even do that without magical clay?
Because I'm just smart like that.
I am impressed. Now let's poke it though. Let's see if it's actually good. All right. Not too bad. Not bad. Not too bad.
It's okay. It's okay.
Why? Like some parts are sticky and some are not.
It's your hands.
I think it's because the slime is really clean because you washed it.
No, I think it's because it's because of Paul's hands.
Well, you know to make the slime not sticky to my hands.
You should look at my slime before the slime
it's not too
completely
bad.
gets bad.
All right, let's take a look at yours. Whoa, what is that? All right, wait, let's put it. Let's put the old slime right here. Wow, that's amazing.
I know, it turned really good.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Just do another swirl really quick.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that beautiful?
It is amazing.
I think I might just keep it like this.
Oh my gosh. Maybe it is my hands that are sticky. Let me see.
See? That one was sticky too.
This one's not sticky. All right, cool. I love it. All right, I mean, my decision for the first round. The winner is Ameerah, obviously, because that was the best one. That was obviously the best one.
But mine was
Have you seen it? I mean, look at it. It's still beautiful, even though it's mixed.
Yeah, I guess.
All right, get on to round 2.
All right, give us our slime.
The round 2 is this one.
Ew.
This one is a clear base slime, and it has stuff in it.
Oh, it's
random
rippy.
stuff. I put random stuff. Oh yeah, and it's rippy.
Did you like drop this on the floor, Paul, or what?
Well, don't worry about it. You just gotta fix it without magical clay.
all rippy. It's like it can barely even move.
How can you fix this without magical clay, Paul?
Yeah, this is horrible. I mean, it's not too bad if you look at it at a certain angle. Okay, well, wonder if somebody wants to go get the ingredients.
Yeah, Ameerah, you can go get your ingredients.
You can go, it's fine.
I'm good.
Whoever's first gets an advantage.
Oh, I go first. Okay guys, I am so happy I won that last challenge, but this slime is like really, really bad. So first of all, it's really rippy, so I'm gonna need some hair gel. And guys, I like to use hair gel for clear slime. This is actually like something I used to do, but I kind of forgot about. But use hair gel for clear slime to soften it up so that it won't turn, you know, white because of lotion. But anyways, let's use some hair gel. And then I think I'm gonna make it like a galaxy pigment slime. That way it covers the ugliness of it. So yeah. Okay, first I'm gonna get this pearl white pigment, and then I'm gonna get some pink, purple, and blue food coloring. So let's get purple. That's not purple. Blue food coloring. Pink and... Oh wait, I can make purple with this. Okay. And then I'm gonna need some glitter. Okay guys, I'm gonna use this holographic glitter because holographic glitter goes on everything, but it is thicker than the other one. And then maybe something else. Maybe some just purple, blue, and pink glitter. So this one. And guys, I think I need to buy more purple glitter. I don't have any. What the heck? Okay, well then I guess we'll just deal with this blue glitter. Okay guys, last thing I'm gonna get are these really pretty beads, pearls plus beads that I found, and I think they look really cool on this one because they're like purple and white, and it kind of reminds me of a galaxy. So I think I got everything. Let's go and win this second round and then win the entire challenge.
All right guys, I lost the round because I couldn't use magical clay. So this time I'm gonna sneak it in. I don't know, I think I'm gonna sneak some magical clay and let me see what I can do. This jar. I'll just take out the snow and I'll put my magical clay on here, and I'm totally gonna win because it's magical. It's gonna fix it, right? Paul will never notice. All right. So I'll just put it all in here and nobody will ever notice. Okay, this is perfect. There's my magical clay. It's totally gonna help me with. Now I'm gonna grab some sprinkles. The star ones right here and this ones are perfect. All right, and now I'm gonna go and get some paint and some foam soap, and I should be done. All right, guys, I think I'm ready to win this round.
Okay, guys, we are back, and yeah, let's fix this slime without clay.
Yeah, totally without magical clay, and I'm not very happy about that because magical clay fixes everything. So
yeah, I know, Mom.
I'm just doing my best now.
All right, I'm just gonna add this hair gel first of all because this slime is just terrible.
Yeah, I'm washing mine. So, it might help it.
Yeah, you know what? That's actually like the smartest thing you've probably done.
Yeah, because it's a little dirty and stinky. So yeah, I'm gonna wash it more. I'm gonna put a lot of soap.
Okay guys, my slime is all better now. This hair gel works wonders, guys. I don't know why I forgot about it. It's amazing. Excuse me. All right, now I'm going to separate it into 3 different colors again, and yeah, work my magic.
Well, mine's already melted. Also, it's a little sticky, but that's okay. Now I'm gonna put my snow, my instant snow. Yeah,
instant snow.
Yeah, I'm putting instant snow on my slime.
Okay, I'm gonna put blue in this. Okay, let me just mix this up.
All right, and I'm just gonna put my instant snow now.
This is gonna look amazing.
And my instant snow looks really good already on my slime. It's making it totally better.
All right, this is a really nice color. Okay, and then I'm gonna make this one pink. No, actually, I'm gonna make this one pink. Put that in there. Okay, and here's my pink, guys. It looks amazing. And then last but not least, the purple. Add some blue. Didn't add too much. And then add some pink. And mix. Okay, and it looks amazing. Yes, I actually really love this color. I feel like it's like perfect purple. Okay, and now I'm going to add my pigment. Okay, let's get some of this pigment. And on this one, and on this one. I am excited to see how this slime is gonna turn out, guys.
All right, I think my slime already looks nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna separate it. Ooh, this is nice. And I'm gonna put some blue food coloring on this part. And then I'm gonna put some pink one on this one. Right.
Okay guys, look at my slimes. They're beautiful. You can't see the pigment that much because they have bubbles, but you can see it on this one a lot, and they look amazing. I really like them. Okay, now I'm gonna add just some glitter in them. Don't want a lot. And then I'll add the beads on top. But I am basically pretty much done. I just gotta make the swirl now.
Oh yeah? Well, look at mine. Look at how nice it turned out. And now I'm just gonna make my swirl. All right. Put them together, and here I go.
You know, actually, I think I'm just gonna keep it like this, but I'm gonna mix it afterwards. I'm gonna add some glitter on top. And then these little pearls.
Uh-oh, my swirl didn't come out very good.
Do they ever, Mom?
I'm just gonna leave it like this, and I'm gonna put some sprinkles.
Okay, well, I am all done. Look at my masterpiece. It looks so cool. I love it.
I'm done.
All right, you're done and you're done. Who's go first?
Me.
All right, let's take a look at yours. Whoa!
Beautiful, right?
How did you change
Sparkly
that?
galaxy.
All right, let's take a look at what I gave you right there. That's what you, wow.
Beautiful, right?
Wow, let me just zoom in there. Let me just zoom, oh, wow. Poke it. Wow. And it's not sticky.
Mm-hmm. Made to perfection.
I like it a lot. Oh, and the swirl now.
And the end result will be beautiful and purple.
Wow, a lot better than your first slime.
Let's just not look at that, okay? How about we do a makeover on it?
Yeah,
It's
you're gonna need to.
2-in-1.
That's gonna be my next one, I take. That looks pretty. I like that.
My
turn. Yours. Whoa, wait, okay, let's put the old slime right there.
Whoa, that looks so
That's
pretty. I know, right?
amazing.
Whoa.
The color is so beautiful.
You can go ahead and play with it.
I mean, it's like an abstract swirl. I like it too. I kind
Right?
of like how like,
yeah, I
weird
did
it
that
looks.
on purpose.
Wait
It's
a second.
abstract,
Yeah, I totally did that on purpose.
Didn't you put snow on this? How did?
Yeah.
It doesn't even look like a claw cream or anything.
Well, here's the proof. There's snow.
Okay. Alright, so if there's snow, it should drip like snow.
That doesn't look like there's any snow in there, Mom. Let me touch.
There's snow in there.
This feels really nice.
You know, I can put it away now.
This feels really
I don't want you to
nice.
ruin
Yeah,
it.
it does feel really nice.
Wow.
Ameerah,
also
Ameerah.
Alright, well, I made my decision.
Give me my slime, Ameerah.
That I like the slime.
Is there clay in there? Did you put clay in that? No.
What?
She put clay in that. It's butter slime.
No.
That's why it's so amazing. Look at it.
No. Did you see me?
Hey, that shoe butter slime spreads like that.
It's butter slime. You gave her a clear slime.
Okay,
And
well, she put instant snow though.
You can't. This doesn't feel like instant snow.
What is?
Did you sneak in magical clay in an instant snow container?
What?
That is just.
I was about to announce you the winner.
I gotta go, guys. I think somebody's
You're
calling me.
disqualified. You win,
Wow.
Ameerah. Congratulations.
All right. That was the smartest thing she's ever done. We gotta watch out for her. But look at how pretty my slime is. All right, guys, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you guys comment down below. Hashtag stop Jenna's cheating, because this is just crazy, guys. She's like evolved into a smarter person, but to cheat. Anyways, guys, that's it. Love you so much, and I really hope I see you guys next time.